Can you walk to Daddy? Can you walk to Daddy? Then she puts her head.
And she blows. Adele, you better not do that.
All right. Let's try this again.
10/10/2010.
Adele.
Adele's 10 months.
Oh, can you come walk to Dad? Can you walk to Daddy?
Oh, you did a couple steps.
Close, aren't you? Good job.
It's a lot of working out, isn't it?
Shall we try it again?
Is it a lot of working out?
Oh, you dropped your card. Let's get back up. Let's get back up.
Wow, you did it,
Good
Elizabeth. Good job, Adele.
Good job, sweetheart.
You're going to be so
Can you
tired.
try it again? Every time you do a little bit better, don't you? Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, you went straight down that time, didn't you?
And then she celebrates and gets hugs and kisses. And you're such a sweetheart, Adele, with Daddy.
All right. Should we play that again? Should we walk again? Can you show Mommy how you walk again? Huh?
Hi, Adele.
Let's get your balance first. Oh. Oh. You love that card.